Welcome back to another video. Today naglalaro tayo kasama ni Kyra, which is si Alex sa Roblox. Bili, say hi! Hi po! Bili. Score! No, ba't nandito? Bro, oh my God. Ano na guys, meron ako actually, wait lang. Alis muna ako kasama ni Kyra ngayon kasi andito siya sa bahay ko. Nag-visit mo sa... Tapos, yeah. Wait, guys, akit lang ako ng stairs. Wait lang. Alright. So, guys, I'm gonna be surprising Kyra with this palmated celestial shock. And this is almost $1 billion money. And I'm gonna be surprising her with that. And I'm going to be joining the server. And I'm going to be surprising her right now. And let's just get started with this. She's kind of sad because I by accidentally pressed something that can ruin her tambayan. So, papasaya ko siya. Bibigyan ko siya something super mahal. Tingnan natin kung magiging happy siya or kung magiging hindi. So, mag-join na ako sa server niya. Excited na guys ako. So, yeah, let's go. Back. By the way, make sure to like and subscribe, ah. Subscribe ka. Bilis. Fix. Mamaya na. Kyra, okay. I'm gonna tell her to close your eyes. Kyra, close your eyes. Give me your phone. Just close your eyes. Give me your phone. So it's Alex. I got that. You don't just need to close your eyes. Sarado mo yung mata mo. Huwag ka tumingin. Doon ka lang. Sarado mo mata mo. Huwag ka tumingin. Ni-join ka ni Sam. Si Chacha. Ni-join din ako ni Sam mo. Friend ko din siya. Bili.
Hapon ko lang siya friend. Si ano ba yun? Sammy Window SSCP?
Wait lang. Sarado mo mata mo.
Chacha?
Oo. I-surprise ko. Wala akong surprise pero guys, I'm really gonna surprise. Alright. I'm just gonna look for it, guys. Hanapin ko lang.
Oh yeah. Kasi may phone na ba yun?
Bili, so ibibigay sa akin ng yon tapos yes.
Oh,
Alright. I'm moving her phone. So, alright, so I'm going to be selling it. I'm selling it on her account.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Alright, now we're done, so now let's just show her the reveal. Kyra, here you go. Just look, here you go.
Just fart my car.
Oh my gosh, let's see her reaction. Tingnan natin, guys.
Bro, just stop. Let's see.
Tingnan nyo lang.
No, I'm not gonna look at it. Oh, ba't ka pumunta sa sale? Stop.
Check your money.
When did I have 1 billion? Bro, did I have 1 billion?
No, I didn't. I gave you something.
What did you give me?
Something. But look how much money you have now. Tingnan mo lang.
Oh.
Wala na tanggal.
Oh, Scar, what did you do that?
Surprise! Happy ka?
No, I'm sad.
Why?
I want that money.
Huh?
That's 441 billion.
Which ano?
That's 400.
Liar! That's only 400 million.
I'm just...
So, are you happy?
Yep. Uy! Nandito pala! Si Sam!
Yes! Si Sam, guys. She became happy. So, subscribe na kayo. Bye!